This is the Bosch BAT620 4.0 amp hour 18 volt battery. This battery works with all Bosch 18 volt lithium-ion cordless tools on the market. The Fat Pack battery provides 65% more runtime than the previous Bosch 3.0 amp hour battery. This battery is constructed with high quality lithium-ion cells and is engineered with CoolPack technology. This heat conductive housing and ribbing pulls heat away from the cells, keeping the battery cooler and doubling the overall life of this battery. The integrated fuel gauge right there helps you track the status of your charge, and cold weather performance on this battery allows full use down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep in mind that you can also get this in a 2-pack option. So thanks again for checking out the deep storage Bosch BAT620 4.0 amp hour 18 volt battery.